Okay, let's try Jingle Bells Rock, one of my favorite Christmas songs. So let me show you the melody first. We're gonna start here with C of the second octave. You have middle C right in the middle of the keyboard, as a lot of you probably know. Two black keys, slide to the left. Here is middle C. Next C up the keyboard can be found the same way. Next group of two black keys, slide to the left. Here is the C that we're gonna start with. So let me show you the melody. C, 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 B, 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 A, B, A, E, A, B, A, E, G, A, B, A, F, D, E, F, G, A, G, D, E, F, G, A, B, G, C. That's it. Again, we just learned a part of the song, but you're gonna be able to really rock it. So let me show you the entire melody. If you need to stop, just stop here and work on it in parts. So once you can play it nice and smoothly, let's take a look at left hand. Left hand is gonna be pretty easy. You're gonna have C chord there, or let's start maybe just with one single note. Now let's try connect right and left hand. And you can only play one single note, root note of the chord in left hand, and it's going to be more than enough. It's going to sound beautiful. Sounds pretty. Work on parts of it. So start with the first part. And then next part. And next part. Beautiful. And if you want to go further, then you can also add chords as we did in other songs. And we always again look at the root note of the chord, something that we did already in other songs. So you're gonna look at this note at the bottom. This is the root note of the chord. So the first chord is going to be C chord. How to play simple C chord, simple triad. C is at the bottom, skip E, skip G. Then D chord. D is going to be at the bottom. Same thing. Skip, skip. Then we will also have G chord. Find G at the bottom and play two skips. And at the end we will have C chord again. Let's try and connect right and left hand, and then I'll do the breakdown for the parts that you can work on. Now let's break it into parts. Part 1 with C chord. So go back and work on this part only. Next part, from A in right hand, C chord in left, up to D here, go back and work on the same part. Next part, D chord here, D note here, then G here, move to G chord in left, back up to D chord and D note here, work on this part only, and then last part again with D chord, left hand steps in first, then with B play G chord and on C in both hands. So make sure that you work on each part separately. Trust me, it will help you to work on this song faster and play it smoother. Good luck and Merry Christmas!